This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to copy over photos to a USB device on your iPad. So you can see I have this SD card reader and I have an SD card plugged in. It's only 8 gigabytes, must be an older one. But you need USB-C to connect to your iPad. So I just have this SD card reader. You might need like an adapter if you have a USB drive. You just plug it in. So it's USB to USB-C. Only costs like $2 or $3, but you can pick up this ONN adapter from Walmart. It's pretty nice for like 10 to 15 bucks. And then you can plug this in right here. Okay, once it's plugged in, you can transfer photos to it. Go to Photos. So go to Select your photos. Then go to Share in the bottom left. Scroll up and go to Save to Files. And then go to your USB drive. Probably it's going to be no name. Go to your location, GCIM, and then go to Save. Now it's going to transfer those files over there. So very easy to go ahead and just connect and transfer it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.